Are you an international dentist and you want to become a dentist in the US? Well, this video is for you. I'm Dr. Maria Valentina Martinez. I'm from Venezuela, and I could achieve my dream of becoming a dentist in the US. I want to explain every step of the whole process that can be complex, that can be sometimes overwhelming, but here it is. Here's the process from A to Z, and you have to watch it all. We're gonna split it up in two phases. The first phase is until you pass the Integrated National Board of Dentistry, and the second phase is until you achieve the dental license. My goal is to help you during this process. I know a lot of people that have wasted a lot of time and money trying to get to the goal, and they feel frustrated, they feel discouraged because they cannot get it. So I'm here for you. I'm here to help you achieve your dream. The step one is to get your dent pin. Go to the ADA website. It should look like this. Fill your information. Your dent pin will be generated and you're ready to go. Step two, get your ECE. This is like an evaluation where you're gonna get a course by course report. That's necessary in order to apply for the IMBDE, or Integrated National Board of Dentistry. At the same time, this report is gonna be one of your transcripts that you need to have in order for you to apply to any university that we're gonna discuss later on. The step three is for you to get ready to take the Integrated National Board of Dentistry. This exam is composed of basic science and dental related subjects. In order for you to get ready, you need at least 9, 10, or even 12 months to actually pass this exam. Step four, now you need to take the exam. In this step, you need to have an eligibility ID, and that's gonna be after you pay for the exam in the ADA and after you get your report from the ECE. In order for you to take it, you need to schedule an appointment with Prometric. This is how the website looks like. Using your eligibility ID will allow you to actually schedule the date. The step five is to take the TOEFL. Once you're waiting for your result, start studying for the TOEFL. Get it done. Get a high score. When we talk about high score, it's 95 or above. The higher your TOEFL score, the higher the number of universities you can apply to, and therefore, the higher the probabilities you can get accepted in one of them. The TOEFL test is composed of 4 areas: the reading comprehension, the listening, the speaking, and the writing. You need to get ready in each and every one of them. Step number 6, you need to go to webinars, you need to do research, you need to go to meetings, you can do shadowing in the United States, you can be a dental assistant. Do whatever it takes, but you need to have a great curriculum in order for you to be competitive. Step number 7, you need to apply to universities. It depends of where you want to practice. There are different kind of programs. There are the pre-doctoral programs and the post-doctoral programs. On the pre-doctoral area, you can do an advanced standing or IDP. It's also called International Dental Programs. With this kind of program, you can practice pretty much everywhere in the United States. You can also, on the other hand, apply to a postdoctoral program, like an AEGD, GPR, or a residency. But you need to know that with these programs, you cannot practice in all the states. Some of these programs, like the advanced standing programs, they have a bench test. This is a practical test where you have to work in a mannequin. And it has several steps. You can do a class 2, you can do a preparation for a crown. It depends of every university, and you need to get ready at least 1 or 2 months before the interview. Step 8, and last one. Once you've completed one of these programs, you need to take the licensure exam. It depends of where you want to practice too. This exam has 3 areas: a written part, a mannequin, and a patient-based exam. I once was in your shoes, and this is what I can do for you. I can help you in every one of the steps of this process. How can you contact me? You have my social media information here. You can contact me using my Instagram, my email, or my website. We give consultations in every one of the steps of this process in order for you to get your ultimate dream come true. Be a dentist in the US. Your success is our success.